What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here on this beautiful Hiwassee River again today, and I've got a cool project in store for you that I'm going to start out today, and I'll probably finish filming maybe tomorrow or the next day. But let me turn this camera around and show you what we have in store. All right, I'm out here again on one of these beautiful docks built by my buddy Zane at Affordable Docks. And I actually did this deck for him a few weeks ago. Check this deck out right here. Check it out. We're going to go all the way down here. That's what the customer wanted. Put a deck here. Maybe they're going to put a house up there later. And let's go all the way down this deck to this dock. And we are going to be installing a tongue and groove ceiling on this beautiful dock today. All composite construction here. Check this out. This dock is amazing. Wish I could show you the front where they've got a gable with a window, but I can't get out there on the water right now. But we're already set up. We've been running this a little bit this morning, and here it is right here, guys. This beautiful tongue and groove ceiling going in. So we're going to be putting it in every one of these sections. We've got like a sitting area right here with fan and can lights, another sitting area here. We'll have this amazing closet going here with TV and everything in it. We've got a large boat slip over here, tongue and groove over all this. We've got a jet ski dock going in here. The guys will be out here today to install that. We got nice wide catwalks on this whole dock. Check it out. It's so beautiful. Let's see, what do we got here? There it is right there, guys. Can you see that? AffordableDocks.com. Oh, I don't even know if you can see it. Let me get the camera out there. There we are. There it is, guys. My buddy Zane at Affordable Docks is the one who builds these, so give him a call for all your dock needs. What's up, guys? We're back out here again on day 2, and it is cold out here. It turned off cold and windy. It's in the 40-degree range, and Gump and I are freezing our tails off. Our hands are freezing. But let me turn the camera around and give you an update on this tongue and groove ceiling on this beautiful dock. It is a beautiful day. The sun's finally out, but it is windy. So check it out right here. Check out what we got done yesterday. We got this whole section right here. We got this 4-foot walkway all the way down to the end. Look at that. Look at that beautiful tongue and groove. And we got over this slip right here done all the way down through here. I know you didn't see my setup, but we had boards just like I'm going to show you over here. And thank goodness we had these walk boards here. But here's how we're set up today because the walk board's not long enough. But we've got a 2x6 going pile to pile. And then we got it sitting on the little giant. And that's how we're going to come over here after we drink us a little coffee and get us a little bite to eat. And we'll start filling this one in until we catch it up to that one. And then we'll run them both together back and forth on the walkboard till we get to here, which is the end of the section here. And then we can run all the way out this boat slip to right here. And the fun part is yet to come. When we get done with that, we're going to block in this soffit right here, and we're going to do tongue and groove 12-foot strips right here, 12-foot cuts, 12-inch cuts all the way around the whole dock. And then we will finish this dock off with a James Hardy Color Plus siding, a fascia board, and up in the gable up there that you can't see unless you're on the water, there's going to be a round window. Color Plus shake will go there as well. So stay tuned for more updates. I'm back out here at the Hiwassee River on this dock job again, and I didn't get any video footage yesterday. We were working hard. It was freezing cold out here, and I just didn't get the camera out. We were hustling to get everything done, and we got very close to being finished, but we ran out of tongue and groove for the soffit area, and we ran out of time, and it got dark because it's wintertime and it's getting dark earlier. But we ran out of time and didn't get finished with the little 4-foot section. But I'm gonna show y'all everything that we did get done. I know I've gone over that various times in this video, but it's just awesome seeing the tongue and groove on these docks. It just makes it incredible. So let me show you what's done here. So like I showed y'all the other day, we've got all these ceilings done right here. Just trim piece to put around the inside. Won't take but a couple hours to do that. We've got to get that, decide what we're going to put there, get it stained. We've got to enter this access area right here, finish these 4-footers all out. That'll take about an hour to finish that, maybe about 30 minutes to install that door, get it shimmed out properly, maybe a little bit longer. But let me come out here and show y'all the soffit area. So right here, well, just about fell, but right here is the tongue and groove soffit. It's pretty sweet looking. So we got the tongue and groove soffit all the way around. And then, like I told y'all, the Color Plus boards, Hardy boards, the 1x8s, will go on the subfascia. And so that'll be the fascia board, will be the Hardy. So we've got to run it down this right here. We've got to run all the way down that side. And then we're set up over here on our walk boards. And we're about halfway done that side. So you can see it right up here. Pretty sweet, pretty awesome. Chose not to 45 the corners because of little pieces. Went to the end, changed directions. I think it looks pretty amazing. So that's about all we've got left to do. Like I was saying, we're about part of the way down this side, right here. So once we get some more boards stained, we'll have about 1 more day's worth of work out here, and we will wrap this job up, and then we'll be heading back over to the neighbor's dock, and we have, Tim and I have to paint the closet over there. So we'll find a good day and paint it. The homeowner's got the colors picked out. It's going to be like a gray siding and a white trim board, something in that neighborhood. And so as soon as we get, I believe we're going to get a new Graco battery sprayer and spray that, but we'll see. I don't know. I'll let y'all know in the video, but stay tuned for that video. It will be coming up soon, and I will give you a final run through of what we've done on this dock when we finish it. So that's all I've got for you on this dock. I will probably, in the video that we do over there with the paint, I'll probably update you on the rest of the trim here, but I'm going to leave this video at this so that I can go ahead and get it out to you guys, and you can see the tongue and groove ceiling on this dock. Like I said earlier, it's about 1,800 square foot of dock and tongue and groove here, man. It was a job. Tim and I did it by ourselves, and we knocked it out pretty quick. But anyways, that's all I got for you. I appreciate y'all for watching, and if you haven't already joined the family, make sure you go down there, click the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any more videos, and I will see you in the next video.